what's up everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Sugar Muffin. Alright y'all, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the brown sugar box. I have not done this video or this type of video in a few months now. And so the box we're going to be unboxing today is for the month of November. Yes, we're a little behind, but you know, we kind of get these boxes like mid to end of month, so you know, can't always make it in the month. I'm not gonna go into my little spiel about the company. I'll list all of the details down in the description box below. If you're interested in the company, if you're interested in any of these products, or subscribing to the box, all of that information will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check it out because there could be some discount codes in there as well. All right y'all, so I'm excited. Let's go ahead and dive right on in. I haven't done this in a little while, so I'm a little excited. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so let me explain my excitement. So with every box, you always get like the monthly magazine, and it has like a few articles. It has a listing of all the products that are included in the box along with the descriptions as well as the price. So that's what this little magazine is for this month. Super cute. I love this yellow. Y'all know, oh God, I'm a fan of yellow. So the theme of the month is a winter warmth edition. And it includes several nice articles. I'm not gonna read them all to you. Well, maybe I'll read a few. Like how to nail the last few weeks of 2021 at work. That's actually pretty interesting. I need that in my life right now. I swear. 5 films to warm your winter nights. Getting ahead of seasonal affective disorder. And we're obsessed with the beauty gems from the skincare, something that I can't read. I can't even see what that says. That's the problem. Sorry. So my excitement came because there's an additional magazine. Yes, yes, yes. And this is a 2021 holiday gift guide. Like, ew, okay, what y'all gonna tell me in here? Gift ideas for everyone on your list. Izzy and Liv staff picks. Let's argue Black Soul Food edition. Oh yes, honey. Oh, I'm excited about this. Okay, Izzy and Liv, y'all stepping it up. So I'm seeing some things that we've gotten in the box before, just a few things. And then there's some things I have not seen. So those are the stocking stuffers of things that I have seen. They're advertising for all of the boxes that they offer. As I've mentioned in previous videos, it's not just for women. Yeah, they have boxes for a queen in training for little girls between the ages of 4 to 9, queening training for tween girls between the ages of 9 and 14, young kings between the ages of 3 to 9, young queen between the ages of 13 to 17. And I believe, now it's not on this page, but I know they have a box for men as well. So that's something I absolutely love about the subscription box. It's super inclusive. It includes everybody. Like, anybody can get this box. Okay, so we got the eyeshadow pencils that I reviewed on my channel. I'll be sure to link that above if you're curious or interested. They have some nightwear, skincare. It's quite a few goodies up in this holiday, guys. Some jewelry. Yeah, I would highly recommend that you check out the website at least, because they probably got some really good deals going on. Oh, these are some super cute glasses. Oh my God, okay, I'm getting excited. Like, let me put this down because I'll never get through the video. I'm just gonna keep looking through this magazine. Gotta get busy, Ebony. Come on. Focus, ma'am. So let's dive in. Usually with every box, there is a shirt. Some type of, well, it's usually a t-shirt, but we got a different kind of shirt today. Okay, we got a little collar shirt. Let's see what this hitting on. So before I open it up, I like to read y'all the description and the price, and it's actually not a shirt. It is a button-up tunic. There are 5 different designs you can choose from, and the cost is $39. Super cute. So let me show you what's super cute. This is my design. Very nice. It has some faces on it. It's like a black and off-white or cream. Very nice. I would definitely rock this for real, with some boots. I might even put a little belt around me. I would certainly rock this. I'm starting to feel like my bestie, where I'm not the biggest fan of all these faces on here, but you know, she's cute. I like the color scheme at least. I can kind of dress it up with some red or some pop of color. That's kind of what I would do. So I have the Warrior Empress design. That's what I showed you guys. But there's also Africa Camo Dreams, Hey Girl Hey, Safari Queens, Unbothered, Unapologetic, and Unbossed. Okay, well, yeah, we got options. There are options. But I like this one. I will wear this for sure. This is staying around. All right, so let's mosey on to the next item. The next item is a satin line beanie. Ooh, I ain't know it was satin line. Hello, come through. Come on, protect our hair, our edges. Yes, Izzy and Liv. Thank you. Thank you. Satin line. Hello. Okay, I'm sorry, I get excited. So the retail value for this beanie is $25, and there are 4 different designs. And this super cutie is the one that I have. I love the fact that it's black, number 1. Let's see what this says. It's me for me. Hello, hello. Speak it, ma'am. It is me for me, okay? That's speaking the mountain right there, y'all. And look at this lovely satin lining. Yes, Izzy and Liv are trying to protect our hair, and I love that. Oh, you can't go wrong with a good beanie when it's cold outside. Y'all, I'm going to put this on right now, and this mug gonna stay on for the rest of the video, okay? Yes, she is. Because I love me a cute little beanie.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious?
Isn't this cute? Ah! I love it, y'all. I so love this. I would probably prefer it with like much longer hair, but I still think it's cute. I'll rock it like this, but you know, I kind of like to have like a lot of hair when I'm wearing a beanie. Still super cute. So let's see what I have. I have, like I said, it's me for me. But there's also Silently Judging You. Okay. Limited edition. Don't let the cute face fool you. You better know. Okay. I ain't gonna show my true colors today, okay? We don't want to do that. But this is cute, y'all. I like this. This is staying in the collection as well. I'm gonna rock this one right here. And I'm about to go back to the cold state of Maryland. Yes, ma'am. I know I need this beanie. All right, y'all. So let's mosey on to the next item, which are these Savvy socks. It's a 3-pack of Savvy socks, and they retail at $18. You have 5 different design options. And I have Afro Chic, and this is what they are. Very colorful and vibrant and full of faces. That's what I'm gonna say about them. Like, they all have faces. Like, I'm starting to turn into my bestie. Like, does everything have to have a bunch of faces? I probably would have chosen a more subtle pack that wasn't so colorful and that didn't have so many faces on them, but you know, these may be gifts for someone over the holidays. I don't know. Yeah, I don't want all my items to have a bunch of faces. It seems like every time I open this box, I get I get a lot of faces. So yeah, let's just pull back on the faces. We can do some other things. Izzy and Liv, we can definitely do some other patterns. You know, I'm a little over the faces. Okay. But here are the other designs. And I realized I failed to show you the other designs of the other items. So here are the tunic, dresses, and the different designs. I had this one right here. And then here are the different hat color and designs. I hope that's not blurry. Is that blurry? It probably is. I'm sorry. Okay, I tried. All right, so I'm gonna carry on, keep moving. So next up we have, ooh, Coffee of Grace. Doesn't that sound magnificent? I mean, the name alone is so inviting for me. Coffee of Grace. Don't we all just want a little grace? I know I do. I just want a little grace. I'm so here for the name, Coffee of Grace. Morningside. So this is deep chocolate notes balanced with fresh fruit and clean finish. A little confusing. I don't really know what that means. It's very confusing. But this is what it looks like. And I'm an avid coffee drinker. I will say that. I pretty much can't go too many days without it. I can go maybe like 1, 2 at the max. And then it's like, yeah, I need some coffee. So I'm one of those. I have coffee every morning. I told my trainer, yeah, I'm drinking coffee on my way to you. Because that's just what I do. He was like, well, coffee's not that bad. It's okay. It's all the sugar you put in there. But yeah, you gotta have a little creamer in there. Flavored creamer. That's how I drink my coffee. Coffee, a little pinch of flavored creamer, good to go. Not a whole ton of sugar, I don't think. But this is cool. Let's see. So this is roasted coffee. The retail value is $7, and there are 3 different flavors. So I have, what do I have? I have Morningside. There's also Kivu, which is medium light, or In This Together, which is medium light. Mine is considered Full City. I hope that means strong, because that's how I like my coffee. I hope that means strong, ma'am. Yes, please mean strong, because I need it strong. Otherwise, yeah, I'll probably take 1 cup and I'm gonna be done. Or I'm gonna have to double up on the beans or something. But I need a good strong cup of coffee, because this chick gets up at 5 a.m. and starts work at 6 a.m. I need it. I need it. I need it. I need it. I'm an early riser. All right, moving on. We have one more item, and it is in its separate box. So let me grab that box and show you what I got. All right, so here is the box. It is a Crown Me ceramic mug with lid and spoon. Yes, yes, it says hand wash only, do not microwave. So let's see what this bad boy look like. What we looking like? Ooh, look at the spoon though, that's cute. Oh, I have a mild obsession, just a mild obsession with crowns, y'all. That's actually about to be my next tattoo any day now. Like, I have a really mild obsession, just like I have with bows. I have the same thing with crowns. Like, I love crowns. I want us to embrace the queens and kings that we are. I truly believe in that. I truly and wholeheartedly believe in that. It's not the cutest little mug. All right, so I'm trying to get all this styrofoam off of it, but this is so cute. It says Crown Me, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. Wait, wait, wait. That's not it. That's not it. But not this. Man, now I got the song in my head. Baby, rub it down and make it smooth like lotion. Get the ritual. Highway to heaven. From 7 to 7. He got me open like 7-11. And yes, it's me that he's always choosing. With him, I'm never loosening. Hey, look at that crown right there. I love that. Ah! This is probably my favorite thing in the whole box. Like, when I tell you I'm obsessed, I am a little obsessed with crowns, y'all. Like, I'm just obsessed. Just let me just keep this on my head, just like that. What you think? I truly believe we have got to walk into our kingdom and queendom. Hello. Yes. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, this is being used. And whoa, 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 whoa. I'm setting you short. I'm selling you short. We got the little golden spoon, ma'am. Yes. Is this not cute, y'all? This is my favorite thing out the whole box. Oh, my favorite thing. This is my new mug that I'm going to be using every day. Love this. So love this. Woo! I'm excited about that. Okay, so I should probably tell you the information about it. Okay, so this retails at $25. There are 3 different designs. I have Bow Down, but there's also Queen Supreme and Crown Me. And let me show you what those look like. So I have this one, and then there's also these two. I would actually be happy with any of them, to be honest. I mean, they're all super cute in my humble opinion. Yes. Oh, I love that. And then they gave us the coffee like they put it all together. Come on, Izzy and Liv. Come on, y'all thinking. I got it. Y'all got it. Winter Warmth Edition. They got it. They got it, y'all. They got it. All right. That was the last item. I'm truly pleased with all of the items I received. Probably with the exception of the socks. I probably could have done without that, but that's okay. You know, I'm a giver. I'll gift it. I'm going to gift it to someone because, I mean, you know, I'm not going to wear them. So might as well give it to someone who loves crazy, colorful socks like that. I have a lot of people in my life like that, you know. So now, the retail value of this entire box, this month's value is $114. And there were, I think, 4 items in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items in the box. 5 items in the box for $114 is the retail value. But if it's a subscription box you're interested in, it would only cost you $39.95. I will leave the information down in the description box below, along with my referral code if it is something you're interested in, so that you can save some coins. You get a little discount if you use my referral code, okay? Now, this is, again, a subscription box. However, you can pause it or stop it at any time. I pause all the time. I try to do like every other month because I experience a little bit of product overload. So I don't want to be like inundated with a whole bunch of boxes and products all the time. So I personally do every other month because that just works for me. Some people get it every single month, and that's fair, that's fine. That's just a bit much for me. I just don't, you know, I have to reel it in, y'all. I have to reel it in. I'm super frugal now, okay? I'm super frugal. So, you know, I just don't think what works for me works for me. You do what works for you, okay? That's all I have for you wonderful people today. I thank you all so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.